DZT
Shabona mugaso mwansho mulinga kene ukwarigania SMS ya mangana majya yaro kumanyikati yari tobere sabu kwa bera soko burukana kweli gyo mwacho muligari sana bere shibona mosenga kende to kwaligania SMS ya mangana majya cyaro kumanyagati yari to bere to kwaliganira kurase mambya yari ngentambe boy gayi bono ago chikumanyigwa senchere jo boy kirano yakaro cyara girense yemo yabono margoba asenchere yo bwentu yaro kumulikira ya gende to kolekana anemono ali to bere to konyora SMS to kubwatika no bagachi University ya Nyamira asensemeli ya Kyabanyaru iyo gotoka sebunge ya North Mogrango karokeli ya wamenye kurwa sebunge tutumasaba barokane korokoro na kwe murungania na sekim University yotariko chikobekwa ngase bungeria ya tutumasaba ngati ya mantocho kumulekero mwancho muligeria sobi mono gati ya yanda manga na bugekero mu governor we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo abereka komena naba seba sign kurwa seka kolekeria agency abona bagende tsukombolia mabulyo igoro ya magendro imeye county ya Nyamira ngayungati yali toko chikumulekera asa yo munanda manga na boto bwate kwetense meli mtandao semeli ya Facebook ndizi TV News Digital na bagense meli ya YouTube na bogoto na ndizi TV News to basokwe bogoto bwate weterase website yetu tunabutambe www.ndiztv.net unyaraka yanyora yu senchera yoboye me oliyo konekina chibi chamulungo ikatira senchera yoboye kirano igakorwa Abigail Nyancha moto yeke manyere kurwa sensemende studio emesa yamangana maje sano na ibere chia bono mugaso iretira ninche mkorko Vincent Onyancha kame semangana maya ni gaboro kiwana boygona basa ibaroka negosami wakone kibuna nkwe bwatane bale na chimbo ni tsa watching ya chinga kechi gabara so mutumo ko maiga yogo se ko cheskoro nego chinga kechi babori ko kane kingo bale chinga kichi yabo ko nyara ko sangana abana babo chinga kechi gabara so mutumo ko okunogo segeta ko abere go kurwegwa naba bwatane obono balengete ko nyara ko sangana bayibori ya century yo ko nyara ko ne kibuna aboro kyonga nyara bara maigari ye chinchera cyo ko nyara gwetanga ko ruwase amari yogo tindia amari tagenkyo gati yebinto binde
amarita ni mufatnya kundi ngorokwa igo inche no moteneri wekeombege korokunga Youth for All Africa ekigeko rigereria societal issues which are socio-economic issues as a society yaito igo rero nataka kukwanira abana funsi bali on holidays bali esko nende babwate chinaro addictions tofauti korua se chinare echo kurigia egasi engao barakore eliomba involve themselves as chinaro buna okonywa marwa ogotumia amariogo yogotindia pornography sex addictions echine chinaro chirabaire engoro echinaro chirabe chimbe kabisa nende chirasalia masomo abo ebintu mbiro tokoroka triggers ebine bintu bigo to push ko gosoas chinarechi triggers buna abasani abuna butobwenerete nga ntotara na barabu etogotiga gotara na barabu places koenda buna ase buneme bogani ngane nemepiro gochiko wochi gose koenda ase gwakobo chenga no koligeri togo chiesa nga no koligeri guoka nendo kwenyora nga gwansire gochiesa igo no koligi egasi ngao yogokora abaiboli ngo batebinga kwana nabana baino you are not planting an idea on their mind nga igo gukwanira ebintu ebinga mokorokanga namanga nansoni igo tari mabe gukwana nabana baino nende gukonya sana kumanyanga omwana ogo nara at risk igo normalize gukwana nabana baino nende gosoma chimbwa cyabo bago change chimbwa igo kwamanyanga something is wrong serikali engonye sabanga musapoti abana sana buna chisemi abana bago chabatigera chiskuru nchera inga esengenjo yechi fees gose manganande ayege nkagalia abuna babwenete koligerera kumono kyagera bakonyora nga basoira chi group gete chimbe echina chiko baira asoko kora
Na gotigana yono mwancho muligeri mu governor we county ya Nyamira Musinya Riboni gaberga komera n'abasabe ka kolikiriya agency aseri tukolero asama ga chama neme ye county ya Nyamira gukona kura sense megati y'abasaye nigo baganiyo mu governor we county ya Nyamira konyara kumulekera mangana rengeta obokorera se county yo konengana barabuni go bagande tukwe murungane gati y'abasaye gutabwatarani kwa serikali ya county jinga kechibo igone wanyara kubuli mu governor we county ya Nyamira nyara kobeka sobwa siole nasiki egeti SS stadium ataranya karosu gwe meje county ya Nyamira na koera eyone chinsemo chiri chiamanga ayungati ya mangana hale taliberera mono abwasomo gabana rucenga gicingo ngo nyara koiranirya gati ya mobolyo kurwa seka koligia agency imeye county ya Nyamira.
Milioni 3 ya youth kupewa vitu kama mipira, uniforms ilikuwa kwa budget ya last. Sijui kama hiyo pesa ilitoka, lakini bado imeonekana kama imetumika. Kitu kingine excellence, umetuambia kwa kuna youth empowerment ambazo zimetengwa. Hadi wa sahi sijui kama kuna youth empowered hapa ndani, not unless kama ukaunti umeajiriwa, hiyo empowerment ndio uko nayo. We see the case of Murang'a. Hiyo pia anaweza omba uzijibu kwa sababu hata sisi tunahitaji hiyo empowerment ikuje Nyamira. Hamna magani ma youth wetu. Kitu kingine naomba tu usiruhusu kidogo. Kitu kingine, thank you. Kitu kingine excellency about this sports youth agenda. Tunaangalia mambo ya stadiums. Manga Stadium, Nyamaya Stadium, Esanige and others. Kila financial year tunashida tukilaunch stadium. Next year then tunaanza kulaunch Sironga Stadium. Is that how we be operating? Tunahitaji tu kama tumelaunch Nyamanga. Mahangaisha kwanza ndio tuende Nyamaya. So that at time tutumie Manga Stadium, tutumie kwanza ikisha like now we could have hosted the Kikoska, the KSSA yenye Kisi ingekuwa Nyamira saa hii. Hata sisi tuuza hata njugu tupate pesa. Kitu ya mwisho wa excellency ningeweza kuuliza kwa ajili ya wananchi wa kawaida sasa ni madawa yenye inatumika huko kwa hospitali zetu. Unapata madawa inatoka kwako ama kwa ofisi yako inaelekea kwa hospitali. Lakini madawa yenyewe ukifika kwa hospitali sisi wananchi hatufaidi hata kidogo.
Become underdeveloped. So like, what can you do to make the most of the people working in the county to make their life living in Nyamira so that we can develop this country?
Na chinga kisho igo mu governor we county ya Nyamira Musinya Riboni gate birubona nabegete mirobere sine kone kmanango kirano bokorrebwa yago cha samenyi bensemeyo okwana neke goligi agency kurasa magachama ni county ya Nyamira Nyariboni gate birubona emirobere abegete na kone kanango bwatani yara abantu bonse serikali nabo igo nabegete mirobere sine kone kuna magendrongo kirani gwara se county ya Nyamira.
I started by saying all ministers must stay in Nyamira. It starts from above. And anybody, for whatever reason, because initially it was about schools, but nowadays we have very good schools within the town, and I want to classify downwards, unless somebody has got a written permission from my office, signed by myself, think that issue has been an issue of concern by everybody. We pay them salary, they go to do shopping in kids. It's quite unfortunate. Kama unaona wezi, I think we put it mandatory so that yule hawezi aende to apply as KCSE. Kubaliana hivyo?
Na hukugania nabo igono kumusanani ko gende tukane kwa imeje county ya Nyamira kubwatakana obagacho university asensemejo yengo bwatakana nekerenga bune university ni gojo kwa gacho nsemeli ya kyabonyeru yo kutoka bona sebunge ya North Mogrango egento kerregati ya menye kura sebunge kututuma saba konyara gokorokoro bekana so kwa merelyo bwagacho university asensemejo nekerekeleke geiro murewe nsore Samuel Ruto na chiko cha kyobwagacho university chinsemo chiri ya kyabonyeru ritukoli yanko ya Mr. Kisana isatom engana no na igo abamenye kura sebunge kututuma saba batarago soko nganywa kurensemelia manga na koirwa sensemelia ya Kiabonyeru.
During our public participation, we agreed that the headquarter ambayo Kisii University ingereta ingekuwa Manga, so that others can get the university what? Branches.
Mimi nilikasirika kwa sababu ya university tuliambiwa tukasikia redio kitangaza ati imeenda mahali nyingine. Sisi tukatoka asubuhi kuja hapa tukula kitu kutaka asubuhi. Ndio tulisema kuja hapa.
To our honorable president, I want to ask him, Honorable Nyamoko, akona authority gani ya kusema ya kwamba ameongea na yeye ya kwamba ataenda kuleta university katika Kiabonyoro?
Na boigo gotigana na yotumurikira mangana yobora yasekia makeri kya ODM abasabare abasubahati nabo babunge kurwa sekia mekyo barorokane kugania abasubahati konyara ko getariye kenene ase obore buri kya makya ODM ayango bwatekana bakakonyara gotigwa tabwati abantu bakoira mabagayo maega ya gati abarabe kya mekyo konyara gochorwa seju wizara asensemeria ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza gati abare abasubahati boigo ni gobasingira gote abona barombagane tekero yekango kigoro asekia makeri ya ODM.
We know that Azimio has been on the forefront of fighting for the 2/3 gender rule, and by ensuring that one of those positions went to a woman, they indeed showed that they actually walk the talk.
Important to include women in the remix. So those vacancies we are asking at least one of them again to be given to a very able woman. ODM has brought up very quintessential women who can handle any situation.
Hivyo basi tunapendekeza na tunasema katika yale mabadiliko ya uongozi wa chama cha chungwa, uongozi wa juu, na sisi pia tunataka tupate mama ambaye wakati maamuzi yanatengenezwa pale atakuwa pale, na yeye pia ataweza kuzungumzia yale makundi ambayo tunaita affirmative groups, wakiwemo kina mama, vijana na wale watu ambao wako na ulemavu. Kwa hivyo tunasema katika zile nyadhifa, kama zitakuwa ni 3, kama zitakuwa ni 4, kama ni 5, zile za uongozi wa juu, hatutaki tena kuona kina mama. Hata kama tuko katika baraza kuu la chama tunaambia, lakini si nyinyi kina mama muko, lakini tunakuwa katika uongozi pengine ule wa chini, sio ule wa pale juu, kwa sababu kuna ile tunaita Central Management Committee. Tunataka kuona kina mama katika Central Management Committee.
And it is not tokenism. We are not asking or begging to be given.
Kwa miaka mingi tumekuwa na wamama katika ODM, na unakuta ya kwamba katika viti za kwanza karibia 10 tunaomba sasa kama kina mama wa ODM, na tunasema na tunajua katika hizo viti za Central Committee mojawapo mama sasa apewe nafasi ya kufanyia kazi chama.
Gotigana yubono ni gobanyagetalia bateresa gosenase sibarokane gotoro kuigwana gati ya serikali insio mulikyo botambe anemono ase wizara ayobo chenu Mary Mudhoni ni gobana bate bero kuigwana okuni okuchiko ikirania na konyara gokinia asobo koribo chenu bakwana asenseme yibakora wana sete panyako ni gobate bero kuigwana okuchiko ikirania magendero na anemono hobo koribo banyagetali abateresa.
It is true that the nurses have waited for this CPA for more than 10 years. We have agreed more than 4 times and it's changed. We agreed it's changed. But at long last we have a collective bargaining agreement that will serve as a foundation for the future engagement. As a nurses union, we have resolved to engage our employers both in public and private sector through the law, and specifically putting forward the issue of dialogue. We do not want to engage in industrial actions because most of industrial actions, the end result is loss of human life. And when we lose a human life, you cannot repair it, you cannot bring it back. We have met some grounds which are going to be a foundation to achieve what we have. But one of the key issues is that the government made a promise with us in 2017 of enhancing our uniform allowance, collective bargaining agreement, and a uniform allowance and nursing service allowance and risk allowance. In this CPA, we have gotten our risk allowance, we have gotten our uniform allowance enhanced by 5,000 shillings. We expect it to go up to 25,000 in subsequent CBS, and also the nursing service allowance to go to 30,000 in subsequent CBS. I thank Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, the only public institution within health sector that has fully implemented the return to work formula of 2017.
Wizara yobochenu kubatirana na serikali niko jarabo no kurogo tinde kwa serikali cye county kone kubona kubatirana barasoko nyarokuru ni binyinyi bya mpox ibibono byarokanire gutwara umucando monogo cya sabange mega yekenyekie nabo igomonto yo na liva korokana gutwara umucando binyinyi byo ibibono bigoturakana na byabere kurwa kinzi oboni gobokuranda sobwango nani gobogoita sobwango kolengane wizara yobochenu inse yomulike botambase wizara yomeri mthoni nigate bira serikali negende tukobeke bitango bisaine kwane kebuna nkobeka bari cincere cyo gotanga okoranda kwebinye myakantebuna mpox ebono bikoletwa nebikondo.
The ministry is monitoring the evolution of the outbreak in our neighboring countries to assess the risk of regional transmission and appropriately adjust our response measures. All counties have been advised to sensitize the public on the outbreak and requisite preventive measures necessary to avoid contracting the disease, and also the steps to take when they contract the disease, including frequent hand washing with soap and water or hand sanitizer, seeking treatment early when infected, and avoiding close contact with sick persons. The ministry has provided emergency hotline numbers for the public to report suspected cases and seek further information on the outbreak. The numbers are 719
ayo ngati ali monchomulwe twa kwaliganira samu gasobo no nyirabona chikora chinse 10 na SMS kana ngendero kumanyali gendere tokolekana abigo ni kumanyigure chigosori che secondary national sigendere ta segeti kerkia gusi stadium engata cyo kumanya chikora chinse 10 chitimu chiri cyabere chikogosori chiskuru cyari chikogosoria abigo na kyama chibu abeire kurwa sense mene ngana turabwati sobime byemono soko chora gotengera ndizi TV tumira nasa jina amana yanda mange nabokonda gotubwati nyirabona nsemeli mtandao Facebook ndizi TV news digital naboga nsemeli ya YouTube Ndizi TV News. Basikoba gotobotia oiterase website yetu na utambe www.ndizitv.net onyare konyora jomo na yana mangolo tobwata na goitira somo na wimanyiriyo igakoro kwa Lydia Mose ekarokeli apigali nyanchamane kichibi chamuli cha kwikire asenchera jobo ikarantoro bulgirubye literana nchenkoro ko Vincent Onyancha.